there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a wig review of Harper by Envy in the color medium gray. This is how Harper comes right out of the box. You can tell she's got kind of like box head going on. She's kind of flat. So I'm just gonna flip her upside down and shake her up. Do, 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 do. Blah, 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 blah. All right. Now that that's all done, this looks fun in this gray color. I'm gonna part this one a little bit differently because I don't like that zigzag part. This one's fun to fluff. It's really fun to play with. It needs some product right here, I think. All right, so Harper is an edgy little thing. She's got a really long front here. She has a lot of extremely shattered texture here on the sides. Lots of layering. I mean, this is basically a lot like Autumn by Estetica, except a little bit more thinned out on the sides. Definitely has more of a bang bang going on here. And I think it's a little bit shorter and a little bit more extreme. I think that's really cool. Notice this really deep gradient here. This looks like, in this gray color, it looks very rebellious. It looks very fun. I'm gonna go ahead and take Harper off so I can show you the cap construction. So this is open wefted on the sides, and in the back, we do not have an extended nape, but there is felt back here, as well as like a bra type adjuster. We also have closed felt here on the ear tabs. We have a temple to temple contoured pre-cut lace front, if I could show it to you, with a seamless transition into a monofilament side part. They're both a little scratchy, but they look really cool. There's a little bit of permatease here on the side of the wig opposite of the monofilament side part. This is a relatively stretchy wig. I find this to be very comfortable on. I'm sort of loving this hair color combo with the glasses. This is a 2.79 ounce wig, so this is gonna be really nice and light. She's heavily textured, but it's feather light texture. Moves really well because of it too. The front is 5.5 inches, so it's definitely meant to be swept off to the side. You could always have a stylist cut a bang into it if you want. The crown down is 8.5, so she's heavily layered with these very shattered, deconstructed corkscrews all over the place, and all the ends face down. And the nape is only 2 inches. She's really short back here. And you can see, especially when I take it off, that it's a little stacked back here too, with this beautiful feather light deconstructed sort of curl. Just really interesting shattered kind of corkscrew. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Hopefully, if you get a chance, you'll check it out. Maybe show your support by, buying something, just saying. And hopefully these have also helped you out, so that way you can actually have fun shopping for hair, as opposed to it being like this anxiety-inducing sort of nightmare. It can actually be fun, and we want to help bring you over to that side of things. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great night. Bye-bye.